Hello dear traders and welcome back to Insta TV for another financial news release. Market participants are eagerly waiting for publication of the US official jobs report that is expected to show a 160,000 increase in private payrolls in June after an abrupt surge in May. The US market is closing earlier than usual today, ahead of Independence Day, and the quotes are likely to end this trading session in the green zone. After a brief attempt to test the daily high near the level of 1.1300, the euro-dollar pair moved towards 1.1280 mark, despite the fact that the US macroeconomic statistics came short of market expectations. This week is not easy for the euro, as the yields on the German funds market are falling. Thus, the yield of 10-year government bonds shrank by 0.4% at the fastest pace on record. Besides, speculations about a possibility of a trade conflict between the United States and the EU are intensifying. The single European currency barely changed after publication of the Upbeat Services PMI reports for the European and German economies. Further on, the American dollar showed sluggish movements today, as the prospects for the US and China striking a trade deal in the nearest future became bleak. Amid that, the demand for safe haven assets increased and the yields of the US Treasuries declined to the lowest levels since late 2016. Meanwhile, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair experienced another sell-off wave in early American deals and declined below 1.3070, having approached this year's low at 1.3057 that was hit last week. The National Statistical Office of Canada reported today that the trade surplus came in at $0.76 billion in May, which reinforced expectations of a deficit of $1.5 billion. Additionally, the ADP payroll processor unveiled the U.S. non-farm employment change report that showed an increase of 102,000 jobs versus the expected 140,000. Today, the key services PMI report is scheduled for release in the U.S. As for the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin quotes reversed to the upside and rose above $11,000 after falling to $9,728.50 overnight. The most traded cryptocurrency plunged last Thursday, losing almost $4,000 in a single week. This year, Bitcoin skyrocketed by 200% despite the recent fall. The rally was contributed to the news about plans of social media giant Facebook to launch its own cryptocurrency Libra in 2020. Tomorrow, on July 4th, the US markets will be closed. We keep close tabs on the latest developments. Stay tuned.